Okay, let's talk about proper positioning on your motorcycle. One of the major things that you can change is handlebar position, because handlebars rotate forward or back. Also, with a bike like this, the Nanago MX3, you have the ability to change the lever positions, and the levers are also foldable and adjustable, so you can fit different size hands. The proper way to ride is to try to keep yourself as loose and as comfortable as possible. You want to try to refrain from ever being completely stretched out. You want to keep your arms bent. You want to keep your hands on the levers, both the clutch and the front brake lever. Again, we're beginners, so we want to be in an open field where we don't have a whole lot of things that we need to dodge or avoid. So, you kind of work your way into it so that you feel more comfortable. But it's, again, really super important before you go out that you get as comfortable as you can with the position of your handlebars and with your levers. When you're riding, you want to make sure your head is in the right place. Your head needs to be looking forward. It doesn't need to be looking down. A lot of people, especially newbies, when they start riding, they tend to want to stare right at what's in front of them when they really should be looking forward. That way they can adapt or deal with whatever it is that's coming their way, because on a motorcycle, things tend to come pretty fast. Okay, so there's two ways that you can ride your motorcycle. One way is sitting down, and this is probably going to be the way that you'll learn. But as you advance, and you'll advance quite quickly, you're going to want to start to learn how to stand up. Standing up is key because you can use your legs to absorb a lot of the bumps, and it'll give you more stability. And there's a proper way to stand up. You want to make sure that your feet are properly positioned on the pegs, so they're pretty much in the very center of your boots. And then when you stand up, you want to make sure that you pinch your knees into the gas tank, and you want to make sure that you also have a little bit of bend in your knees so that they're not locked out, so that if you hit something, it's going to negatively affect the bike. Dirt bike riding can be so much fun. It can take you places that you can't even imagine. Take the time to learn how to ride properly, and just do it at your own pace. Don't let anybody force you into doing anything you're not comfortable with. Do it at your own pace, take your time, and don't give up. And I'm telling you, this is going to be one of the greatest experiences you'll remember forever.